Get up, Jesus! Get up!
I'm going to jail! What's the deal, man? Welcome back to another video, man. I missed y'all so much. I know y'all probably ain't missed me because it's like, bro, why are you not uploading? What are you doing? Where are you going? Well, why did you leave us in the dark? Listen, I've been busy. I'm not gonna lie to you. As y'all saw in the last video, I did get the M5 back. Yes, sir. M5 back in the cut, man. So right now, as y'all can see, I got these tires. These are not for me. These are my old tires that I had at the house that I'm giving to my homie who also has an F90. Not Racky, who y'all know. Somebody else who has an F90. And yeah, so, but right now I'm currently at the car wash because, dude, let me just get out and show y'all, bro. Let me just get out and show y'all. I've been gone for a minute, y'all. Don't be mad at me. I usually take better care of my stuff, but I have been gone. I have been busy. Y'all have to understand, man. And I missed y'all so freaking much. But just starting off, we gonna start off strong with the interior, what we all see. You know what I'm saying? Yes, the windshield is still cracked. If y'all say something about it, I'm gonna be mad. Ooh, we dusty. Not only dusty though. Bro, can somebody tell me, how did grass get in my car?
Oh my God.
Like, nobody even sits in my passenger seat, bro. There's grass all over the car. It's just dirty in here, bro. Let me get out though and show y'all the freaking, look at this, look at this. It's grass all on the door, bro. Like, what's really going on with the M5, man? Then you got birds who just wanna take some dumps on my car, man. But overall,
what the fuck?
It's so freaking clean right here, bro. Like, you can't tell me this is like not clean, bro. Hold on. Let's take a couple pics, bro. Get everything going. I need this car to look spotless and good. Also, I don't even know how bird poop got down there, but it did. You know what I'm saying? I cannot wait until this windshield is fixed. That's what I can't wait for. Also, a rock flew up and hit the car the other day, so I gotta get this sanded and polished down. It is what it is. Mishaps happen. I'm not really mad about it. I can't really be mad about it. It's what it is. Literally. So, the M5 just looks so freaking good, man. It's crazy.
It's not you, just an action figure. X about Sosa in them trenches. I went playing. In them trenches, I went playing them, nigga. And I got money buried in the ground just for.
Oh, y'all, my dream. A McLaren. I don't know. Is that a 570S or a 720S? I think it might be I think that's a 5. Pretty sure that's a 570. But oh my goodness, y'all. Hey, I want a 720S or a 765 LT, but that thing looks amazing. Yeah, that's a 570S. I already knew. That thing, and he got his own little details and everything on it, bro. That thing look good. Not gonna lie. Make sure you like the video so I can buy McCleasy. Wait, that's a 720S? That's a 720S. Oh, and it sounds good. I'm about to go actually not look at it, bro. I think he's gonna be like, oh, no, black man, you can't look at that car. Sometimes, guys, y'all gotta look just to see what y'all want, bro. Just to know you can achieve it, bro. I just want to ask him, can I look at it? Crap. I've been wanting a McLaren for a long time, so y'all know I'm gonna get one. Yo, I know I keep talking about this freaking 720S, guys. When I tell y'all either 720S or 765 LT, I mean it. And I promise y'all I'm gonna get it, guys. This is gonna be crazy when we do the freaking duet to this, or the stitch, or whatever you want to call it to this. Guys, I will have this, but I do need to move my car up real quick, so give me 1 second. I'm not gonna bore y'all anymore with the 720S. Yo, if I went supercar, McLaren is the only supercar I would like to purchase, bro. I would just be honest. McLaren is the only supercar I would like to purchase. Lamborghini's cool, but they're a render of Audi, and I don't really care for Audi. You know what I'm saying? Audi, however you say it. Bro, oh my goodness. That just gave me some hope, though. That just gave me hope. That gave me motivation. Bro, one day, may not be today, may not be tomorrow, but one day, guys, I will have a McLaren, and it's either gonna be a 720S, a 765 LT. If I had the money, I'd go P1, or really the real money, a Senna. I'm just keeping it a buck. A Senna is the ultimate, like that is the dream. A McLaren Senna. But I would definitely settle for a 720S. Really a 765 LT. I settle for a 765 LT. You know what I'm saying? I chopped it up with the dude, man. Cool guy. Hey, you know, I already know what to do. I ain't even ask him how I obtain a car like that. I know what I gotta do. Work hard. But not for nobody else, for myself. So that's the freaking goal, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, coming soon, y'all. Coming soon. Anyways, let's just keep enjoying the video. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, man. And let's get this McLaren together, man. I love y'all. I'll be back in a second. All right, y'all. So 720S is out of here. He got special privilege. That's what happens when you get a fast car. My car is still about to get done, but my homie just came to pick me up in this F30, bro. This is. Hey, this car has done a lot for everybody, for us, for the team, for the community, bro. This is his car, but it's a community car. You know what I'm saying? That thing is fire. This is a community car. He let me use this back years ago, bro. He had this car for so long. Oh my, that thing is tuned on E85. I can smell it. Anyways, about to let this car get washed and we're about to go grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna show y'all what we eating because we gotta eat healthy. All right, yeah, I'm putting y'all on, bro. Don't be maxing out the spot, bro. This is called wealthy. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy Tez like to eat healthy and wealthy. Money, food, what you put in your body and what you consume is very important, man. But let me go ahead and show y'all. We about to go ahead and order for $15. 2017. Oh, 2017 was a terrible year for me. Y'all see that? Holy. I got chicken, shrimp, rice, broccoli, carrots, sweet corn. I know rice not that healthy, but holy. Y'all want to take the first bite with me? Let's do it. God is good. God is great. Thank you for receiving. You can pray. Amen. Chicken and shrimp. Gonna hit every time.
Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag like fuck. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you win. I ain't joking.
All right, y'all. Just finished eating. Done. Now, my homie pressure put up, and I'm about to show y'all his M8 because it is actually hard. He just gave me his keys to the M8, so we're about to drive the M8. All right, y'all, we in the M8 right now. I never drove an M8, and this M8 is stage 2, so we about to see. Go! Hey, look, Press, she wants your car, bro. She trying to hop down. She can't even drive.
She don't know what's going on.
Hey, she don't know what. She lost. All right, y'all. Let's hit this M8 real quick. We gonna have some fun. Hey, it's not my car, y'all, so I'm not about to go crazy. Hey, this M8 hood is long as hell. Hey, this M8 hood is so long. I ain't never seen, like, hey, I feel like I'm driving like a long-nosed Peterbilt. Hey, oh my goodness. Hey, this car is crazy. Hey, Caleb, I'm gonna loop around. I'm about to turn around. This is insane. This is crazy, bro. M8. I don't know how you're not in trouble with this motherfucker.
I need my lashes, bro.
Yeah, you gotta have something. Hey, something is making you, hey, cause boy, I might be. I'm going to jail. I'm going straight to jail. Oh my goodness.
That's if they catch you.
Hey, yeah, they not catching. This, I'm sorry, they not catching. This hard.
You hit them turbos, bro.
Yes, bro.
Them turbos
Hey,
is crazy.
and you got the Bauer and Wilkins, bro. And you got money, bro. Man, you rich. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hey, you rich, fresh. I ain't know. Hey, rich. Hey, that's crazy. Bauer and Wilkins is crazy. Carbon roof, M8, got the wrap, tune, everything.
It's only the beginning.
It's only the beginning. Oh shit, the light green. Bro, I'm going next. I'm scared to get my car taken. I'm literally going straight to jail, bro. I don't care. I don't care. I'll take the ticket. I'll take jail, the ticket, anything you give me. I'm taking it. Oh my goodness, this boy is so sweet, bro.
And it's so smooth though. You don't even think you're going that fast, bro.
And the turbos, you can just hear them things. They just talking to you, bro. It's like a conversation.
Yeah, but that motherfucker, they're clean though.
Yes.
I need that goddamn hood.
Man. Did they make one for the M8 or no?
Yeah, they make one for the M8. It just, that bitch got done.
Hey, this nose is long. It's like a long nose Peterbilt, bro.
It's like, I think like 3,800, 3,500
For the hood?
Yeah. So I was like, hey man, I got other things to get.
Yeah, not right now.
I got other things to get.
This shit is insane. I'm gonna call Rackass because he should be coming.
So what you think, man?
I want y'all to know when my ECU gets unlocked, I will probably most likely be in jail. I must admit, if I am not responsible and I am not on my P's and Q's, I will be in jail. I want this done yesterday to my car.
Look, I'm on you out, bro.
All right, hey, we good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a little bit. Oh, yo, look at this. Look at my brake caliper, dude. My brake caliper looks brand new. Hey, they cleaned the heck out of this car.
What they got on me? Let me see how many ones I got on me, bro.
All right, y'all, look who it is, my boy Rack. Anyway, man, I am gonna end this video here. Y'all are gonna have to stay tuned for the next video. As y'all can see, I do be having that heat coming. I do have it coming. So you already know, me and my boy about to be back to back. And the M5, that's definitely a video you're not gonna want to miss. So make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.